All right, TKK and first grade teachers, in response to the data that you explored um, today, the ask is to assign 1 to 2 other additional assessments, optional assessments in this case, that would inform you about student needs currently. So if we look at, for example, Alum Rock optional test first grade, you would again identify, all right, which of these formatives, math here in blue, I'm sorry, math in this kind of greenish teal, reading and literacy in blue, right? You would identify, okay, which ones, 1 or 2, would give me more information about what my students' needs are. Now, another way to do this is, say you don't need more information and you want to reteach maybe an area on a required assessment where the student struggled, and then you would give one of these to kind of inform your progress, um, by the end of February. So again, for the formative assessments for teachers in TK, K in first grade, you would identify formative assessments that are optional tests that would give you more details as to what your kids need, and their progress towards mastery of your grade level standards and expectations.